In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Vizio TV has no sound coming out. Maybe there's no sound coming out of the speakers of the TV. Maybe you have connected it to a sound bar or home theater and you get no sound. I'll show you a few different solutions on how to fix this. So let's start with the easiest of them. The easiest solution, honestly, is to simply go and disconnect your TV from the wall outlet. Simply unplug it. Wait around 5 minutes, and while it's unplugged, I suggest you go and press the power button located under your TV during 30 seconds. After doing this, release the button, plug it back, power on your TV, and check to see if the audio is finally working. It takes, again, just 5-6 minutes to try this whole thing. It's the easiest thing you can do, so go ahead and try this out first before going to the second solution. The second solution, well, take your remote control, press the settings button. So we get the settings menu, go down until you select all settings. And from here, you're going to go down and select audio. Now, first option is audio out. And it's important that you have selected the right option here. So if you want the sound to come out of your TV speakers, make sure TV speakers is selected. If not, well, you also have optical and analog audio out. I highly suggest you select one of these options and not the auto option, since sometimes the TV can get it wrong. Then second option, we have surround sound. You have virtual X. If you're still not having any volume, any sound, select on or select off, just to make sure that this is not the option that was keeping the sound from coming out. You have volume leveling, keep this off. And the other options, well, they won't make much difference, to be honest with you. Now, if this still didn't fix your problem, you can also factory reset your television. And how do you do this? Well, if you're on the main menu, simply press the settings, go to all settings, select admin and privacy, go down and select reset to factory settings. And from here, select the last option, reset TV, and it takes 2-3 minutes. Your TV will be factory resetted. It will be like brand new, and hopefully you won't have the same issue ever again. So these are my tricks. If you have any other tricks on how to fix your Vizio TV, please let me know in the comments down below. If not, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.